Hello, myself Lakshman. Today we are going to discuss the Java new topic and very most important topic, that is collection. In collection, today we are going to discuss the array list. Firstly, we discuss why the need of the collection in Java. We know that array, the size of the array is fixed, not growable in nature of the size of array. And to overcome this problem, introduce Java such a concept as a collection. Collection is a collection is a group of individual object in a single quantity. That is a collection. In collection, there are some parts. In the list is a interface of a child interface of a collection. In list, there are also some types, that is array list, linked list, vector. Now firstly we discuss the list. List is a collection of collection of primitive data types or collection of data. In list, the duplicate elements are allowed, and order of the element insertion is an preserved order. And the another part of the collection is set. In set, duplicate are not allowed, and order of insertion is not preserved. Now go through the topic, that is list. In list, the array list is a subtopic of the list, and linked list is another subtopic of list, and vector is also subtopic of list. Now discuss the array list. Array list is allowed to duplicate, to hold the duplicate value. In array list, duplicates allowed in the duplicates allow in a index order. The duplicates are differentiate in an indexed. The order of the duplicate the element insert in an array list is on the basis of index and preserve order. It means continuous memory location. Each and every element is stored in a continuous manner as like an array. Now to declare and to create an object of an array, as like an normal we create an array. For example, array list reference variable is equal to the new array list. We create an empty or a simple constructor, non-parameterized constructor. The default value or initial value of the array list is a 10. If we want to add 11 element or more than the 10 element in an array list, then the array list size will be increased automatically, because each and every method or each and every concept in an collection is growable in nature. That's why it is automatically increase the size of the array list. Suppose initial value of the array initial capacity of the array is a 10. We increase the we add 11 element in an array list, then it is size of the array is automatically increased. We find the new capacity of the array list, then formula is new capacity is equal to the current capacity multiplied by 1.5 plus 1. That is the capacity of new array. Now go through the we discuss the difference between the vector as and array list, because array list is one type of list and vector is also one type of list. Array list is called as a non-legacy class and vector is called as a legacy class. The legacy class means Firstly, we discuss the version. The collection is introduced in Java 1.2 version. Also, list is introduced 1.2 version, and subtype, that is linked list, array list, is introduced Java 1.2 version. But vector concept is introduced Java 1.0 version. The vector is introduced in 1.0 version, that's why it is called as legacy classes. And all the remaining, that is collection, list, array list, linked list, is introduced in Java 1.2 version, that's why it is called as a non-legacy classes. Now each and every method present in an array list is a non-synchronized method, and each and every method present in an vector is a synchronized method. That's why the method present in a array list, like add, remove, set, get, and so on, this method is a non-thread safe, because method present in an array list is a non-synchronized, but method present in an vector is a thread safe. And in another way, another difference is, the array list is used as performance is high, because it is allowed to multiple thread to access the array object, and in vector is a thread safe. At a time only one object is allowed to get access the object of a vector, that is performance of the vector is low. In case of the security, the array list is not security purpose, use of security purpose, and vector is used for the security purpose because it is a thread safe. This is all about the array list in collection, and collection is a concept of Java. Thank you.